President Donald Trump celebrated the 100th day of his second term in office with a campaign-style speech touting his achievements and targeting the political foes. Also hailing what he called a revolution of common sense, he told the crowd of the supporters in the Michigan that he was using his presidency to deliver the profound change. Also, the Republican mocked his Democratic predecessor, that is Joe Biden, and aimed fresh criticism at the United States Federal Reserve Chairman while dismissing the polls that show his own popularity slipping. Also, Trump has delivered a dramatic fall in the number of migrants crossing illegally into the United States, but the economy is a potential political vulnerability as he wages a global trade war. Also, we've just gotten started. You haven't seen anything yet, Trump told the crowd on Tuesday in a suburb of the Detroit. Also, speaking at the hub of the America's automotive industry, also Trump said that the car firms were lining up to open new manufacturing plants in the Midwestern state, and earlier in the day he softened a key element of his economic plan, that is the tariff on the import of the foreign car and car parts, after the United States car makers warned of the dangers of the rising prices. At his rally, Trump also said opinion poll indicating his popularity had fallen were fake. Also, according to Gallup, the Trump is the only post-World War leader of the two presidents to have less than half of the public support after 100 days in office, with an approval of 44% rating. But the majority of the Republican voters still firmly back the president, and also the rival Democratic Party is always struggling in the polling. The DNC, that is the Democratic National Committee, said that the Trump's first 100 days were a colossal failure. Also, Trump is to be blamed for the fact that the life is more expensive. It's harder to Trump conducted his own informal poll in the Tuesday's remarks, also asking the crowd for their favorite Biden's nickname. He also mocked his Democratic predecessor mentality and agility, and even how he appears in a swimsuit, while continuing to insist that he was the real victor of the 2020 election, also which has he lost. Other targets of his ire included the Jerome Powell, the head of the United States Central Bank, whom the president said was not doing a good job. Trump touted progress on the immigration encounters at the southern border that have plummeted to just over 7,000, down from 140,000 in March of last year. The White House also said almost 65,700 immigrants have been reported in his term so far, although that is slower pace than the last fiscal year when the US authorities deported more than 270,000. Also, Trump recession is on the doorstep, the DNC